Canada's $12 billion megadam, a modern engineering marvel located in the heart of Canada. A gargantuan and controversial development is reshaping the terrain. The Site C Clean Energy Project, a $12 billion megadam along the Peace River in British Columbia. Dubbed by many as one of the most important infrastructure projects of Canadian history, this giant dam represents a milestone in modern engineering, the pursuit of ambitions for clean energy, as well as the challenge faced in finding a balance of progress and environmental and social concerns. The Site C Dam project, one of the major hydropower producing countries in the world, is Canada, which ranks among the leaders in substantial natural wealth. Located near the city of Fort St. John, the Site C Dam is the third hydroelectric on the Peace River. This project will ensure the production of clean, renewable energy for more than 450,000 homes per year, significantly contributing to British Columbia's long-term energy needs. As the world is slowly but surely turning to sustainable energy solutions, Site C will be seen as the cornerstone for Canada's reduction of carbon emissions. Hydropower generates 60% of the electricity in Canada, leading this green energy revolution. Site C Dam is not any ordinary project. It's one of the biggest construction undertakings in Canada because of its size and complexity. The structure of the dam will stretch for over 1,050 meters across the Peace River and stand 60 meters tall, creating an 83-kilometer-long reservoir. Energy output. It is expected to produce approximately 1,100 megawatts of electricity. That is enough to power a small city. Advanced construction. It involves building massive earth-filled dams, spillways, and tunnels while managing the flow of the Peace River with minimal disruption. Economic impact. The Site C Dam has been a great boost to the economy of that region. With more than 4,000 job opportunities created during peak construction, the project has become very essential for the employment of locals. In addition to this, the long-run benefits of having a steady and renewable source of power are expected to boost the economy of British Columbia for decades more. The environmental and social debate. Although the Site C Dam promises clean energy and economic growth, it has not been without controversy. Environmental concerns. Critics argue that flooding 5,550 hectares of agricultural land and wildlife habitats will have irreversible impacts on the local ecosystem. Loss of biodiversity, fish habitats, and forested areas have attracted environmental groups to criticize it. Indigenous rights. The project has also been opposed by Indigenous communities, who have a historical connection to the land. The construction of the dam has been controversial due to issues of treaty rights, land use, and cultural preservation. Cost overruns. The project was initially budgeted at $8 billion, but now costs $12 billion, which raises questions on whether the investment is worth the long-term benefits. A glimpse into Canada's energy future. Although this has its drawbacks, the Site C Dam still represents Canada's commitment to renewable energy sources. Hydropower remains one of the cleanest and most reliable sources of energy. In a world rapidly shifting away from fossil fuel use, projects like these are needed to meet mounting energy needs. It will be finished by 2025 and mark a significant milestone in the energy journey of Canada. Once it is completed and functional, it will contribute much to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and providing clean energy for generations to come. Conclusion. A controversial marvel site. C. Clean Energy Project is a promise as well as a challenge toward the building of a sustainable future. It is one of the most remarkable engineering marvels, a beacon for the potential of renewable energy, and a reminder of how complex it is to maintain progress with environmental and cultural preservation. This Site C Dam shall go on to stand powerfully for Canada's goals regarding green energy and stand in a way to mark this delicate interplay of innovation and nature in relation with human spirits. As long as this mega $12 billion dam will go along in marking history with an incident, whether triumph or a caution, so this mega dam can influence the future course of energy for the whole country. including Canada and also its borders.